Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Estimating Activity Durations. Estimating activity durations is a critical aspect of project schedule management, serving as a cornerstone for planning, executing, and controlling project timelines effectively. Accurate duration estimates allow project managers to allocate resources efficiently, set realistic deadlines, and manage stakeholder expectations. The Project Management Institute emphasizes the importance of this process in its project management body of knowledge, underscoring its role in achieving successful project outcomes. The first step in estimating activity durations is to understand the scope and complexity of each task within the project. This involves breaking down the project into smaller, manageable components known as work packages and further into activities. Each activity is then evaluated to determine its specific duration. This process is informed by several factors, including the availability of resources, the required skill level of the workforce, and the technological requirements. For instance, an activity that involves cutting-edge technology might take longer if the team lacks experience with that technology. One common method used in estimating activity durations is expert judgment. This technique leverages the experience and insights of individuals or groups who have previously completed similar projects. Their knowledge can provide valuable guidance on potential challenges and realistic timelines. However, reliance on expert judgment alone can be risky due to its subjective nature. To mitigate this, it's often combined with other quantitative techniques such as analogous estimating and parametric estimating. Analogous estimating is a technique that uses historical data from similar projects to estimate the duration of current project activities. This method is particularly useful when there's limited information available, as it provides a quick and relatively inexpensive means of generating estimates. However, the accuracy of analogous estimating heavily depends on the similarity between past and current projects. Deviations in scope, team expertise, or technology can lead to significant disparities between estimated and actual durations. In contrast, parametric estimating uses statistical models to predict activity durations based on historical data and project parameters. This technique involves identifying a variable that can be used as a basis for the estimate, such as the number of labor hours per unit of work. For example, if historical data shows that it takes 5 hours to produce 1 unit of a product, and the current project requires 100 units, the estimated duration would be 500 hours. Parametric estimating is more accurate than analogous estimating when the underlying data is reliable and when there is a strong correlation between the variables and the activity durations. Three-point estimating is another technique that addresses the uncertainty inherent in estimating activity durations. This method involves calculating 3 values: the optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely duration estimates. These values are then used to calculate an expected duration using the formula /6. This approach accounts for uncertainty by considering a range of possible outcomes, thus providing a more balanced estimate. The 3-point estimate is closely related to the program evaluation and review technique, which also uses this approach to schedule management. Incorporating risk analysis is essential in estimating activity durations, as risks can significantly impact timelines. This involves identifying potential risks and assessing their probability and impact on project activities. For example, if a project is heavily reliant on suppliers, any delays in delivery can affect the schedule. By integrating risk analysis into duration estimation, project managers can develop contingency plans and allocate time buffers to mitigate potential delays. Another factor influencing activity duration estimates is resource availability. The allocation of resources such as manpower, equipment, and materials can affect how long an activity takes to complete. Resource leveling is a technique used to ensure that demand does not exceed supply, potentially extending the project timeline but optimizing resource usage. Conversely, resource smoothing involves adjusting the schedule to ensure resource limits are not exceeded, without altering the project duration. In practice, estimating activity durations requires a balance between precision and flexibility. Too much focus on precision can lead to overly rigid schedules that do not accommodate changes, while excessive flexibility can result in ambiguous timelines that hinder project control. Therefore, it is crucial for project managers to apply these estimation techniques judiciously, considering the specific context and requirements of their projects. Statistics from industry studies highlight the importance of accurate duration estimates. According to a report by the Standish Group, only 31% of projects are completed on time, with the rest experiencing delays often due to inaccurate duration estimates. This underscores the need for robust estimation practices. Additionally, a study published in the International Journal of Project Management found that projects with well-defined estimation processes are 20% more likely to meet their deadlines. These findings emphasize the value of precise estimation in successful project management. In conclusion, estimating activity durations is a multifaceted process that combines expert judgment, historical data analysis, statistical modeling, and risk assessment. By employing techniques such as analogous, parametric, and three-point estimating, project managers can develop realistic and reliable schedules. The integration of risk analysis and resource management further enhances the accuracy of these estimates. Ultimately, the effectiveness of duration estimation is reflected in the project's ability to meet its deadlines and deliver its objectives within the planned timeframe. This lesson on estimating activity durations provides a comprehensive understanding of the methodologies and considerations involved, equipping project managers with the knowledge necessary to enhance their scheduling practices and improve project outcomes. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.